another episode of the Imagineaters, where we take old favorites and new classics and recreate them at home without a recipe. Today we're making
Beignets.
Yeah. We're at the mint julep bar today. We've got two different kinds of beignets, the classic and the specialty flavor right now, which is double chocolate.
I'm excited. I'm honestly excited for both of these.
All right, what do we want to start with?
I think let's go for original.
All right.
First.
All right, bear with me. It's raining.
It's also raining. Ooh, nice. That was a good one. That was a good one.
Oh. Okay. I'm just gonna.
You mind if I?
I love these beignets. So the coating is straight up powdered sugar. Yeah, there's no mystery there. The center is like fluffy all the way through. It's not hollow. I feel like when I was a kid, it was hollow.
Yeah, I did too.
And it's been fried.
It's fried, but it's not oily. That's gonna be tough to do.
Yeah, it's like
it's not oily.
the line is so thin; it doesn't get into the dough, and it's so soft.
Yeah. All right, now we're gonna move on to double chocolate. Move this back out of the way.
I'm so excited. I don't know what makes it double chocolate.
So much powdered sugar. Whoa. Okay, give that a show. Now that smells amazing. It smells like hot cocoa. Here we go. Ooh.
You can finish that one. I'm gonna And this is like powdered sugar with like hot cocoa powder.
Like hot cocoa powder in it. Oh, we could definitely do this. This is amazing. You know, you throw some cocoa powder in with like some powdered sugar and.
Oh man. I like this. I think maybe what we'll do is we'll do the original. We'll do a chocolate one.
Yeah, why not?
And then my favorite one of all time is the strawberry one. So I think we'll try to do a strawberry one too.
Which you can't even taste right now. So we're gonna have to just figure it out. Which is cool.
But I remember, I think it's again just powdered sugar and like pulverized dehydrated strawberries.
There you go. Yeah.
See you at home.
See you at home, folks.
Alright, so it's been 2 months, and we're back, and we've finally run out of excuses. So the reason why we were delaying is because I've never made donuts from scratch before.
Neither have I.
And so we're going to need some help this time, but we're going to do our best and see how it turns out.
Yeah, our strike for this episode. So we're going to try a modified cake donut recipe.
So we're going to see what happens with this method.
We'll try.
Because I don't want to get all made up again. So
1 cup of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt,
and egg.
An egg! Okay. Dry ingredients, we're going to whisk them all together.
And I'm whisking an egg.
We're whisking an egg. Okay, you got it? Nice. Pour it in.
Butter. And vanilla.
Good stuff. Shaboom.
Add. So because this dough is very wet and very sticky, and because they're supposed to be, this is like a drop cake donut recipe, and we need to be able to roll it out, I think I'm going to add some more flour. So I'm going to add another tablespoon of flour.
Nice. Now we're adding 2 tablespoons. Another tablespoon of flour.
The dough is also very sweet.
Is that bad?
I don't know yet.
Floured the surface and floured the pin. Now we're just rolling it out nice and
So like a 1/4 of an inch.
1/4 of an inch thick. So we're gonna cover it with some plastic wrap real quick.
So we brought out our old friend, the blender, and we're letting our dough sit for 30 minutes. In just a minute, we're gonna start heating up some oil so we can fry them.
But first, that was just transition. What we're going to do is going to make some of the lovely powders to go on top of these beignets to give them some dope flavors, including.
Yeah, so we got some freeze-dried strawberries, so that we're gonna put strawberry. We have some cocoa powder that we're gonna do to make some chocolate, and then we also figured we would just try to like toss them in hot chocolate powder and see what it was like.
Be quiet.
All right, so
All right.
we're gonna liquefy.
Quote unquote. Woo! Mmm.
So we got to sieve this.
That's pretty good.
Okay. Alright, I have a 1/3 of a cup here. So I'm gonna make a 1/3 of a cup of powdered strawberry. Alright, so let's add a tablespoon of this and see where we're at.
Okay.
More strawberry, and we have all this powder. Why not?
Yeah, why not? Oh yeah. Mm.
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, there we go. So there's a strawberry.
Okay.
6 cup. There's a tablespoon. Alright, Bill, it's pretty good. Can we dry more? Or
No, I like that.
you like it?
It's subtle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Chocolate.
All right, Rach, what are we doing next?
Let's cut it out. We have this very
Cut it out.
Cut that out. So we have our dough that's been sitting for 30 minutes. We rolled it out to about
1/4 inch.
1/4 to like a 1/3 of an inch.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just gonna start cutting these out. We have some oil heating in the background that we're heating to
365 degrees Fahrenheit.
and you want about 3 inches of oil. Some little Mickey doughs.
Yeah. For those of you at home, we're going to take one of these lovely Mickeys into our 365 degree oil. It's going to sizzle. It's going to float eventually and puff, which is fantastic. We were worried it wasn't going to. But yeah, so basically what's going to happen is as it puffs, you're going to look at the bottom side to see if it gets nice and brown. You'll take like a slotted spoon or a fry basket if you've got one. And then once it's nice and flipped over, you let it golden on that side, let it get nice and brown. So I am so incredibly pleased.
So I'm just tossing the beignet, I'm tossing the powder in, and then I'm tossing the beignets in. Now we're doing a nice little, very low-tech tossy toss.
Nice.
Oh my god, I'm so excited about these. And there we are.
Well.
They look really good.
They do look really good.
Excited. I think we should start with like an original one.
Okay.
Okay.
How do they taste? They look good.
Oh, wow.
Alright, I'm gonna taste it. Fine. I don't know, we're gonna taste the same one.
Mm-hmm.
I get the other beer. Mmm. Mmm.
Remember, one of our objectives was to make sure that the line with the oil didn't go in.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that.
I'm gonna show that.
Yeah, hang on.
Oh yeah, the line with the oil doesn't seep in. So I think that had to do with the temperature. I think 365 was a really good temperature. We're gonna bring in a special guest to help us taste the other flavors and see how well we did. So, without
further ado,
my brother, who's been in his pajamas
incredibly tall.
many days.
There you go. Give her a taste.
What say you?
Damn.
Okay, I want to try the strawberry one.
They're fresh.
Very fresh.
Mm. Oh my god, I'm so happy.
Wow. Like,
Oh my god.
Damn.
That is so good.
Isn't it good? Yeah. It's really good. Let's try the chocolate. I'm gonna go for the
The
chocolate.
chocolate strawberry one now.
Mmm. Mmm. This is gonna sound really weird. It kind of has a smokiness to it. Oh.
Oh yeah, the hot cocoa
This
mix.
is just hot cocoa
Straight
mix.
up hot cocoa mix.
Oh. It's so salty. I didn't realize hot cocoa mix was so salty. Oh yeah. Yeah, no. I thought it would be good like chocolate. It's not like chocolate.
It's not that bad.
It's not terrible, but it's not what you
Once
expect.
being, I feel like a wave of salt hits you.
You're like,
Oh.
Thanks for watching, folks. If you want to join us for more shenanigans, please like and subscribe. Comment with what you want to see next, and thanks for watching. If you missed Disneyland and you love the beignets, highly recommend this recipe.
Do recommend this.
Turned out real well.
Ring that bell if you want to be notified when we make a new episode. And hopefully we'll be making one soon. Stay safe, everybody.